everyone, it's Lisa, and today I have for you a good beginning of fall Walmart haul. I have partnered with them again, which I was so happy they asked me because I was ready to try some new things, and I ordered a few things online and had it, Bridget is like licking my feet. I had it delivered to the, you know, when you order and then it ships to the store. And I do have a little warning. One time I did that and they shipped it to another Walmart that is, I feel like it's further away, but I think it says on there that it's not, but I think it might be a mistake, I'm not sure. So pay attention to what Walmart they are shipping it to. And I think we all have one close to us, so just pick the best one. I went last night, I picked up the things that I had ordered, and I looked around and bought a few more things. And I think I got some good stuff for us to kind of transition into fall. Not really, I did see one dress that I really liked. It was like a little leopard dress. Goodness, now Bridget wants to go out, hold on. Bridget just came back in. So what I wanted to tell you is when I was shopping, I was looking for like some basics, and I wanted to try the Sofia Vergara jeans because I see everyone wearing those and just loves them. So I knew I wanted to try some of those, so I ordered 2 pair of those online because I don't ever see those in my store. Maybe I'm just missing them, but then I found some good stuff. So what I'm gonna do is show you the other kind of just like a Walmart haul first, and then I'm gonna stand up and show you the different clothing pieces that I got. And it was just a good basic Walmart haul, but this is the razor that I use. I have used this for a long time. One time I switched over to the little like Venus razors, but I like this one better. I just feel like it lasts longer, and this is the one that I use. Okay, I got this mascara. I actually got 2 mascaras. I got this one, this has just been like my go-to mascara lately, and it is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious, and it just works. It really gets in all of your lashes. It's easy for me to get into the corner lashes, and I just love it. So I got that in the blackest black. And then I watched a video by Miss Crystal, and she was using this one, and she said it was the best for her bottom lashes because it doesn't run or transfer. And I did not put anything on my lower lashes, so I'll show you. It looked like it was a good wand shape too for lower lashes. So I'm gonna try this now. Let me make sure I didn't get waterproof. I am bad about that, but no, not water. Oh, it's waterproof. Why? Every time I pick up a mascara, I get waterproof. Okay, I'm gonna have to just give this one to someone that likes waterproof mascara and go back and get another one. But see how it has the brush that is just shaped? I just can't handle waterproof. It just, to me, I feel like I have got to tear my lashes off to get it off. And so anyway, that is the wand, and I will have to give this one, let Brooke give this one to one of her friends that likes waterproof mascara, and go get another one. And you would know I opened it and everything. So anyway, got 2 mascaras. I got a good old In Style fashion magazine. I haven't bought one of these in a while. I've been looking, but it seems like I haven't seen as many good ones out lately. But this is just the September edition of the In Style, and it's got It's Fashion Baby, and it's the 25-year edition. It just seemed like a good one, so I grabbed that. This is funny. I have been on the hunt for some good pens, and so far I have gotten a lot that I didn't like. I had one that I loved from Mary Kay, and I got it. They were giving them away at the Reward Style conference, and so I had gotten 2 of them, and I loved them, and I used them every day. I turn a page in my notebook, I write the date, and I write things, you know, if I do a video, I take my notes for the video. If not, I take other notes, write down my appointments and stuff like that. And those 2 ran out. So I ended up grabbing these, and I could have sworn, yeah, I did. I already opened this one, and I do like it. It's not quite as, I wanted like a fatter pen, but this is the Z-Grip ballpoint pen, Zebra Super Smooth. I have realized that what I like is the ballpoint pens. I don't like the gel. I don't like anything that feels kind of scratchy. and I do like this. And then these, I just know I like. I used to use these a long time ago, so I grabbed these. Grabbed one of these for me and then one for my mom. I just thought this color was so pretty. It's just like that, I don't know, isn't it pretty? It's just so vibrant. It's like a pinky red. It would be like the perfect lip color or nail polish color. It is. It's kind of like Candied Rose, my nail polish. So I grabbed one for me and then one for my mom, and I'm going to see them today. So I will take that over there. Then I grabbed this. It's the Jerkins Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer in medium to tan. It looks like it's won an Allure Award. And they also have this in the firming, and you know, when I went, I thought I was going to get the firming one, but then I thought, I already know I love this. I was worried that the firming might, I don't know, have some weird texture or feel different, and so I just went ahead and grabbed this one again. I really like putting this on after the shower. It says in shower, no rinse. What I do is after I've gotten out of the shower, I kind of let myself just naturally dry off a little bit. I go ahead and step out, put my hair up in the towel, and then I kind of get back in the shower and I put this on all over, and then I get back out and then towel dry off. And I'm not really sure how much color it's really giving me. I think just a little bit. I think just a little bit of color, but it hasn't been catching on every little spot or, you know, rough patch in my skin, and that has helped. And it does seem to moisturize. So anyway, loving that so far. Then these little tanks that I love. I grabbed one for Brooke. Let's see which one this is. Okay, this is the medium. These were $1. These little camis that I love. They have the little cinch in the middle. They have them in all different colors. Of course, I just grabbed black because that's what I like, but this is just like part of my uniform. Winter or summer is a little black cami. In the winter and fall, I'll just throw on either my jean jacket, a shirt over it, you know, in the winter, a faux fur. It's just so easy to like use something like this as your base layer and then have fun with like your shoes, your coat, you know, your lipstick, just something like that. And someone said something, I don't know if I've mentioned this to you already, but it did make a lot of sense to me. When I was trying on all those really wild printed dresses and stuff, and I told you that I typically like just a solid tank dress or something, and someone said it's because I have a lot going on already, like with my hair and my makeup, and a lot of times I'm wearing wing liner, and that just really makes sense to me. And I agree that a lot of times when you have so much going on already, it looks better just to have something simple on, and I totally agree. But I grabbed one of these for me and one for Brooke. I got the medium and I get her the extra small, and she can wear these to work. She just has to wear, like, she has that little little vest cardigan that I showed you guys. She has to wear something over it, but that's what she would do anyway. So I grabbed another one for her, and they were literally $1. Okay, so to start off with, I grabbed the Time and Tru t-shirt that I have shown you guys before. Brooke had been wearing this to work, but luckily I had just washed it. This is a great t-shirt. Every time she wears it, we talk about how we love like this little, it's got like a little heathered type print. It's just the perfect little white t-shirt. And then these are some of the Sofia Vergara jeans, and they are just fabulous. They are just everything everybody said. I've had them on for a few minutes, probably about 30 minutes while I was setting up to video and everything. And they're size 8, which is my usual size. They are super stretchy. Not super stretchy to the point where I think they're gonna stretch out, but stretchy, just good. Like you put them on, like when you're holding them, I'll show you another pair and you'll see what I mean. But you think, oh my goodness, are they gonna fit? And when you put them on, they just stretch right on and they kind of suck you in, you know, like right in here. And I'm just pairing them with some nude pumps, because I always think this is a perfect outfit, is a pair of nude pumps, jeans, and a white t-shirt. And I wanted to be able to show you how they look, and I'm gonna turn around so you can see the jeans. And they come in different washes, but I wanted to get just a good, kind of like a dark wash jean. I felt like I didn't really have that. I've gotten so many of the ripped up ones or ones with faded places. I wanted to get something that was just kind of plain. They do say, I believe, let's see, Sofia jeans, dark wash, Sofia skinny ankle, and I could have sworn these said that they were high rise. On me, they're not. They're kind of like mid-rise. Like my belly button is right here, but like I've told you before, I'm very long-waisted. But I actually like these. I feel like they hit me right in the place that is good for me. Because sometimes if they come up too high, then I feel like it looks like that. I feel like I like to be kind of hit right here at my hip bones, or just right above my hip bones. But love these. I think you guys would really enjoy these. I think we're going to. The next pair of jeans I got are the black ones, and let's see if they're the same. The size 8, color black night, Sofia skinny ankle. So it's going to be the same jean in black. So I am going to go slip these on and show them to you. I just wanted to kind of show you what they look like before I put them on, so you'll just know. And I like these. These are denim, but they are like a true black denim. And these are the black jeans, which I think are awesome. And I just put them on again with the nude pumps, which I think is perfect. I love an all black outfit with nude pumps. It's perfect. I mean, you can wear black shoes, like I do like black boots, but for pumps, I think the nude is even better than black. And so I really like these a lot. Let me show you. Okay, so two definite good purchases. I'm gonna go try on these. And these just look like something fun. They look like something it's called the Yummy Jogger. How do you like that? Okay, and I got them in medium, Sweet Romeo, Yummy Jogger, and I just loved the print. So this will go good with this tank. And you know, I'm the type person, I would wear these out to just, you know, maybe to Walmart or just to run to the grocery store or something like that. You could easily put these with boots or, you know, like my flip-flops or something like that. They would also look good like with this shirt and a moto jacket. I would wear them, but if you would feel funny about that, you could easily just wear them around the house. And I can't see the price, but I will put everything down below. So I'm gonna go try these on for you too. Oh my goodness, you guys, these feel so good. They've got pockets, plenty big enough, and they come up to, I guess they're probably about mid-rise. And here, let me just put on flip-flops with them. Over here, let me see you. What's wrong? You got your tail down? So anyway, I love these. And I wish I had, like if I had my moto jacket down here, I would show you, but I think this will look so good with a moto jacket and boots. Something cozy like to maybe wear to the movies or something. And no pockets on the back, just plain, but very, very, very cozy. The next thing I'm gonna show you, I got the extra small for Brooke, but they're just good, basic, pull-on, black, wide leg, little bit cropped pants. And I got these for her to wear to work. We're both so excited about these. This is the kind of stuff I wear over and over. This goes with these are gonna go with boots, high heels, flip-flops, whatever. And I got her the extra small, which is 02. They were $16.86. Knit wide leg pant, relaxed fit, and it's from the Time and Tru brand. So I'm gonna go throw these on and show you how good they look, and then I can give these to her to wear to work. Okay, this is the definite winner of the bunch. These are the mediums, which is 8 to 10, and these are not gonna shrink, I can already tell, because they're made of like, I'm straightening out my tank top here. They're made of like polyester type, a knit material. And I don't know why I've got an audience. Say, what's going on around here? What's going on around here? and I love them. So plain. Look how good they look with heels. I'm definitely going back and getting another pair to have. These will look so good with ankle boots, tall boots. Oh, so many good things. And just put a jacket on with this and you are set. And I'm probably just going to end up wearing this today. But look how good these are. And they're just plain. In the back, just plain pants. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you to Walmart for asking me again. I really enjoy these videos, and I hope that you like them too. If you do, please subscribe down below to my channel. I will do a lot more fashion videos about getting into fall and some different, outfit ideas. I've got a lot of new stuff in my head that I want to do. And ring the bell so you will know every time I post a video, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.